Well, I don't know what the PDP, which is the People's Democratic Party, wants to gain concerning the 2023 election. Though I believe they do not, merit that position any longer. Anyone that wants to go and sit on that seat, that means that person, they take it as a venture to make avenue to make money. But if they are seeing it as a place that they go, they struggle, you understand, there's no pay, there is nothing, you understand. They will, talk the way they are saying. Biafra, what will we do to IPOB when we take over in 2023? They say, what do we do to IPOB? Because everybody now is trying to sweet mouth. I don't know where they are coming from. The People's Democratic Party, PDP, has detailed what it will do to the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and its agitation for a sovereign state of Biafra. Speaking in Imo State on Wednesday, chairman of the party, Senator YouɁ HÌŞ, disclosed that the PDP will adopt the strategies that late former President Umaru Musa Yar'Adua used in handling the militants of the Niger Delta. Now, where are we going to? He added that the IPOB struggle was largely caused by the marginalization of the Igbos Southeast region. Okay. In his words, our party PDP will be taking over government in 2023. We will bring development across the nation and as well solve the ongoing agitations in Southeast by the indigenous people of Biafra over marginalization by the current ruling All Progressive Congress (APC). He expressed confidence that the IPOB issue will be sorted out peacefully. And that is what he has said. And also he said he earlier reported that IPOB, a pro-secessionist group, has been agitating for the Southeast to break away from Nigeria. Well, its leader Nnamdi Kanu is currently in the custody of the Department of State Services. Yes, that is what it is. And if truly Nnamdi Kanu is in DSS custody, though I don't know why it's still remaining there. And somebody will ask me that, should be in Nigeria, I don't know where they go on. No, if I'm in Nigeria, does not really mean I should, accept vomit. Because as it is, Nnamdi Kanu is really accepting vomit. Why would they trample upon his fundamental right? The chairman of the PDP, he expressed confidence that the IPOB issue will be sorted out peacefully. And that is what he has said. Political news, politics news, earlier reported that IPOB, a pro-secessionist group, has been agitating for the Southeast to break away from Nigeria. Its leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is currently in the custody of the Department of State Security Service, DSS. After was captured in Kenya in 2021. He's currently facing charges of terrorism and treasonable felony. Okay, and that is the English they will use. Treasonable felony. If they say treasonable felony, it simply means that maybe he's speaking ill of the government of the day. Yeah, I'll be talking negative things concerning the government of the day. But now maybe he will be on the side and be watching, be observing these PDP people. But Atiku, as it is, he said he does not support what's it called, rotational presidency. If he does not support it, a majority of them in the House support it. And if at the long run he dropped out of the election or campaign, I believe that's his fate. Because as it is, if there's going to be election, maybe family members will be the one coming from abroad, come out on print or vote. Because Nigeria, as it is, especially the youth are hungry, but they kept silent. They are just keeping mute. But now we standing name where they go name their picking, maybe in their mind it did. So that is why I said yes, the youth. I'm not saying the youth parallel. If the youth is going to rule, that means it's going to be from 40 and educated youth and married youth. Don't be single youth. When they single, now you go carry come. You can manage it, but the way go take collapse. Go see. There's no sign of responsibility. So there must be responsibility. They must. So that is what it is. So if anybody says Atiku, PDP, APGA, every one of them, let them come wherever they want to come from. They should come and support Nigeria. That's come and support Nigeria, not even party. They shouldn't come here with party matter. They should come here and come and support the citizens of Nigeria. They should come here. Let's deliberate together. The 1999 Constitution, my brother, is a failure. We have failed with that 1999 Constitution, and it's not paying us. So it's not paying us. Also, we needed to quickly, do the needful. So we are not doing the needful. Things will degenerate, and it's not proper for things to degenerate to that level whereby when you just wake up in dustbin. You just say Nigeria don't divide. You understand? You meet yourself for Kano, you will be better. You meet yourself for Kano, say this is your family. How will you feel? Because they are saying now what they would do to IPOB when they took over 2023. That is coming from PDP. Anything you want to do, let it be in your mind. Now you know what you want to do. Because when the country was getting deteriorated, you didn't come out to announce that what you want to do, this is what we are doing or we have done. Instead, you borrow money, you tell us you want to go and borrow money. That's all. After borrowing that money, they're not going to give us report that we don't come back. This is the money we borrowed. So how do we go about it? Because we know they are competent. You understand? So, I mean, it's not about party now. It's just party is like a platform. But somebody gave you something with his whole heart. Though I believe if you give somebody something, you should just lock. Yeah. So that is what it is. I would also say the Nigeria, which has been called a contraption. You understand? Is it that Nigeria that PDP and APC are clamoring for to become the president or to campaign for presidency? Well, I don't know how anything will happen again. But as it is, anything will happen, make it happen. Because the PDP now, they are trying to come out. I'm not saying Atiku. Good luck. He's still playing with them in the APC. But he's entitled to his opinion. If good luck say he won't go, make it go. But notwithstanding, this is where I'm going to draw the curtain. There's no time. Time has not permitted us to go further. Well, don't forget to click the bell icon and submit your comments. Thanks for listening and God bless you.